In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit tags on Fiverr. First things first, you'll need to log into your Fiverr account. Make sure you're logging into your seller account, as the buyer and seller dashboards can look a bit different. Once you're in, you should find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub of all your Fiverr activities. Now move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Give it a click and a small menu will drop down. Among the options, you'll need to click on Profile. This will take you to your Fiverr seller profile, where you can manage your gigs and showcase your talents. On your profile page, look for the section labeled Gigs. Click on it and you'll be taken to a list of all your active gigs. If you have multiple gigs, this is where you'll choose the one you want to edit. If you only have one, there's no need to worry about making a choice right now. Simply move on to the next step. To proceed with editing, find the gig you want to work on. On the right side of your chosen gig, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and look for the Edit option. Selecting this will take you into the editing mode for that specific gig. It might take a moment to load, so just be patient. Once you're in the gig editing section, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. Here you'll see the Search Tags field. This is where you can add or edit the tags associated with your gig. Tags are crucial because they help potential buyers find your gig more easily based on specific search terms. Take a moment to consider which tags best describe your services and update them accordingly. When you're satisfied with the changes you've made to your tags, look for the Save and Continue button. It should be towards the bottom of the page. Clicking it ensures that all your efforts are saved and your gig's visibility is enhanced with the updated tags. And that's it. You now know how to add or edit tags on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time.